Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, the numbered figure is given to us. Let us find solution to this question. Now, in this figure, we can see that the arrow or the extended side of the hexagon, this extended side of the hexagon is rotating 2 steps and 3 steps alternately in anti-clockwise direction. That is, from starting figure to first, it has moved 2 steps, and from 1 to 2 it has moved 3 steps, and so on. Now the line which is with this hexagon is going one time inside and other time outside the hexagon after every second step. Therefore, in figure number 1, the line should be outside the hexagon. So the figure number 1 is the odd one out of this. Hence, answer to this question is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, the numbered figure is given to us. Let us find the solution to this question. Now, in this figure, if we look carefully, we can see that each time the arrow, this arrow, is moving anti-clockwise 1 step and 2 steps alternately. Now, from starting figure to first figure, it has moved 1 step. Now, from 1 to 2, it should move 2 steps, but it has just moved 1 step. Therefore, the figure number 2 is the odd one. Therefore, answer to this question is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, the numbered figure is given to us. Let us find the solution to this question. Now, in this question, the pattern which is following is that in each step, the figure, this figure is getting inverted, and in the next step, it is rotated through 180 degree. Therefore, from starting to the first figure, this line should be in this position, but in figure 1, it is not so. So this is the odd one among this. So answer to this question is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, the numbered figure are given to us. Let us find the solution to this question. Now, in this question, we can see that each time a new arrow is introduced, and the new arrow which is introduced is in the same direction of the previous existing arrow. Now, if you look from this starting figure, from figure number 1, we can see that in figure 1, this new arrow has been introduced, and the direction of this arrow is same or in the way of the existing. This is the existing one, and if I move it in a clockwise position, its direction will be same as shown in figure 1. Now, figure 1 to figure 2, the new existing arrow will be this one, and the direction of this is again same if I rotate the figure of 1 through this. Now, this is the 1 step. Now, same, the existing arrow also reverses its direction in each and every step. First step, the starting to the next step, the existing arrow has reversed its direction. Now, from step 1 to step 2, this arrow and this arrow has reversed its direction from 1 to 2, and this pattern is followed. Therefore, answer to this question will be option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, the numbered figure is given to us. Let us find the solution to this question. Now, in this question, we can see that the darkened circle, this darkened circle is moving half a step anti-clockwise position in each step. Now, from the starting figure to 1, it has moved half a step anti-clockwise. Again, from 1 to 2, it has shown the same pattern. From 2 to 3, again the same. 3 to 4, again the same. But from 4 to 5, it should move to this position as indicating in figure 4, but it is not there in figure 5. Now, if we continue the series of figure 4, then the figure should reach here, and that should be the ending figure which is there given in the series. Therefore, the odd one figure is figure number 5. So, answer to this question will be option number 5. Thank you.